check this out. See how at all times.
Awesome.
Love it. I have it out with me every time, every day I go ride. Suspension for me is the most important aspect of the motorcycle. Super simple. Attach it here. I have my fender pre-drilled, so it's exact same spot. Mount the Bluetooth transceiver, put it right up in here. Get on the bike, center it fully geared. Then I know it's right here. I don't need a secondary person to help me out. This is so easy. It's a great tool. I think everybody should have it.